Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
And Next Weather Chief Meteorologist and Hurricane Specialist Ivan Cabrera joins us once again. Some clouds out there, but the blue we do see is so nice.
It is nice. You know, we had a lot of blue so far this week, except, a couple days ago we had, hazy skies from all the smoke. That was gone yesterday. And now we're just seeing a little bit more moisture here. It's still not up top. And so that's why we don't have, plumes of showers and thunderstorms all over the place. They're still manageable, and it will be for the next couple of days. 87 is the current temperature. We still hit 91, and that's about where we'll be the next few days. 88 is the normal high temperature. 93 is was the record for today. Nowhere near that, or the 62. That would have been nice. I'm ready for 60s. Are you? It's not happening, though. It's not coming anytime soon. So let's talk about our next radar network here, because still picking up on a couple of showers that have been moving in off the breeze, but these are far and few between. They just can't really get going because the moisture's not available as they climb in the atmosphere here and widening out the shot to be able to see rain tracker pushing all the showers that have developed over towards the southwestern part of the peninsula. We're sitting at 85 in Homestead, 89 in Marathon, but look at the humidity. So it's dry up above, or right here where you and I are. It is quite humid, and so it feels like 102 degrees in Marathon. We've been in the triple digits in some areas, so you can start feeling the change, and we'll start seeing the change by the time we get into the beginning of the weekend, and then certainly heading into next week. I'll show you that. But there's the chunk of dry air that has been keeping things very blue in the sky. That is moving away, so we'll give a few more showers and even a couple of thunderstorms now in the forecast heading into Friday and Saturday. All the while this weekend there will be a front that will be approaching here, but it's not going to barrel through and bring us cool air and dry us out. No, this is going to just slow down and then park itself over the Keys and hang out with us like the in-laws that don't leave for a while. Early next week we'll continue with showers and some thunderstorms here, and in fact I think the potential even for some heavy rainfall through the middle part of the week. There's rain tracker for tomorrow. Still seeing again those showers. We'll continue to see that through the day on Friday before more widespread showers and storms get back into the picture for next week. In the tropics we do have Philippe. We've had Philippe. Philippe has been there for a while, but thankfully finally out of the hair here of the Puerto Rico and the northern Lesser Antilles, so that's gone, and the system will continue flying up to the north. They do have Bermuda tropical storm warning in effect as a result of the heavy rain and gusty winds that are coming in. The next thing we're watching is this tropical wave. It has a 30% chance of developing, but I'll put this in motion and be able to see what we're thinking as far as our computer model forecast. This is the European. Like a lot of systems, this one continuing to develop, but then heading up to the north. So I'm not too concerned about that. I am going to keep an eye on, and there's nothing here from the NHC, of a developing system in the eastern Pacific here as we head into next week. Watch the clock. This is for next week, but this could get into the Gulf of Mexico, and it could start, organizing a little bit here, so that by the end of next week we get a good chunk of moisture coming in. We'll see if it tries to organize or not, but that's the next thing I'm eyeing as far as the tropics. As far as the forecast for the day tomorrow, only about 30% as far as the rain chances. We'll stick with that through the weekend, and then we'll bump up rain chances and keep them at around 50% for next week.